Hello everyone, welcome back to Kristine Art Channel. Today I've got something special in store for you. As you can see, winter has arrived and it's time to give my art studio a cozy and festive makeover for Christmas. I've had such a wonderful and productive autumn, but now it's time to transition into the winter season. So I'll be saying goodbye to these beautiful autumn paintings and illustrations on my studio walls. Let's add a touch of winter magic. I've got some beautiful winter-inspired paintings to replace these ones. There's something truly magical about the first snowfall, isn't there? It's as if the world is wrapped in a serene, white blanket and every sound is muffled. The first snow brings a sense of calm and tranquility. It's like nature is taking a deep breath and pausing for a moment. The magic of the first snow inspires me to create space around me that gives magical feeling and make art that evokes that same sense of wonder and beauty. Now I'm going to use these lovely evergreens from my garden to make a beautiful winter wreath. It's a perfect way to bring a touch of nature into my studio. Voila! It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in here. But that's not all, my art friends. Just a few days ago, I received something very special that was in the making process from summer. Let me show you. Ta-da! This is the new sketchbook I'll be using for my upcoming 12 days Christmas painting challenge, which will start on November 3rd. I switch on these twinkling lights and open this brand new sketchbook. I can't help but feel inspired. I'm already dreaming of all the wonderful ideas I'll be filling these pages with during the Christmas painting challenge. Thank you for joining me on this little journey of decorating my studio and celebrating the magic of the first snow. Until next time, keep embracing the beauty of the world around you.